Okay, hello, my name is Max, and today I'm doing problem 5. So the first thing we need to do with this diagram is establish the various boundaries and positions. So the first thing we want to do is find the equations of these two lines, which are given in the absolute value, then find the equation of the quadratic equation, and then, since this value is 4, since these are ideal halves, we will just multiply the value by 2. So first of all, the values of these two. The equation of this line here is minus 3/2 x plus 3 due to the intercept here, and the equation of the line here is 3/2 x minus 3. That would be if I extended them, but of course they're absolute values, that's why they range from 0. To find the midpoint here, which is why I got 4 here, we just set the absolute value to 0. So that makes us this 3/2, this is absolute value, x minus 3 equal to 0. And obviously we see that x has to be 2 to cancel out to make this 0. So x is equal to 2, which makes this point here 2, 0. Now that we've established this point here, we see that these are two ideal halves, and this is, yeah, okay. We can find either the area of this area here, then multiplied by 2, or the area of this line multiplied by 2. For simplification, I will just do it from 0 to 2 of this first equation. But before we get to this equation, we have to find the quadratic formula of this. So the quadratic formula of this equation of this line is y is equal to ax minus 2 squared minus 3, as is evident due to the shift and that its vertex, the minimum point, is at -3. So then we get 3 is equal to a minus 2 squared, of course, minus 3. That's 6 is equal to 4a. A is equal to 3/2. Therefore, we get that the quadratic equation is y is equal to 3/2 x minus 2 squared minus 3. Now, to simplify this further for easier integration, I'm going to simplify it as y is equal to 3/2 x squared minus 3 over 2 4x plus 3/2 minus 3. This will further simplify into y is equal to 3/2 x squared minus 6x plus 3. So this is the quadratic equation of this line right here. Now, to integrate this, we have to take the upper equation, which is this one, minus the quadratic from the values of 0 to 2 to get the first half. We will then multiply it by 2. So to 2 minus 3/2 x plus 3 minus 3/2 x squared minus 6x plus 3. The x, this will simplify into 0 to 2 minus 3/2 x plus 3 minus 3/2 x squared plus 6x minus 3 dx. You can see that this cancels out. That means we get the form 0 to 2 minus 3/2 x squared plus 9 over 2 x dx. Now, since this is only half of the actual area after we integrate it into the form, we have to put a 2 in front in order to multiply this whole equation by it. So once we put in 2, we get 0 to 2 minus 3x squared plus 9x dx. So this is the actual form that they require. It's the a is -3, b is 9, c is 0, and t in this case is 2. Okay, thank you.